How to add image on Framer. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to add an image on Framer. Now, there are multiple ways for you to be able to add an image. You could have images be automatically added when you choose between different templates. Or you could add them through media over here under the elements. You can see that you can add an image or a GIF. Simply click on the image element and you could resize it however you want. Then, simply double click it to see this pop up over here, which you could then choose between different photos or different options that you prefer. Make sure that you have downloaded the photo, of course, and there we go, you will be able to have your image over here. Now you can simply add all kinds of modification that you want over here on our settings on the right side or styles, and you can even add animation into it. You can easily just drag and drop it into your website and have it on your website. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.